Let's begin by getting you details of the Delhi Chief Minister swearing-in ceremony. We're hearing from our sources that it will take place on February 20th at 4:30 p.m. Now, we don't know yet who exactly the BJP is chosen as the Chief Minister, but there are several names doing the rounds as front-runners. Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood, Rekha Gupta, they're the top contenders for the top post, for the CM post. Some reports suggesting that they could also be a deputy chief minister, but at this point, the BJP is yet to make any announcement or formal move about who exactly will be the chief minister. Piyush Mishra is joining us with more details on this. And he'll be telling us exactly what really is the BJP's plan in the days going forward. Because remember, the legislative party meet will take place where the BJP will go ahead and choose the legislative party leader. That person then automatically becomes the chief minister of the national capital. 4:30 p.m. is when we're hearing on Thursday, February 20th, that the swearing-in ceremony will take place. It's going to be a grand affair, reportedly, where you will have, of course, the who's who of the BJP, including Prime Minister Modi present. The NDA chief ministers from across the country will also be gathering, reportedly, to be a part of the swearing-in ceremony. So the BJP will be celebrating this particular moment with that grand swearing-in ceremony. But three names doing the rounds: Parvesh Verma, the man, the giant slayer, as he's being referred to, for defeating Arvind Kejriwal in the New Delhi seat. Rekha Gupta, perhaps because of woman face, there's a lot of speculation, could be made the chief minister. Ashish Sood, trusted party worker, could also be named as the chief minister of the national capital. So three names essentially at this point that are doing the rounds. On February 20th, we'll know who's the chosen one. Okay, we'll get you, in fact, more details about the swearing-in ceremony. At this point, the BJP has been holding one huddle after another to go ahead and decide who will be the chief minister pick. Piyush Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Piyush, February 20th is going to be the date when all of the speculation over who will be the chief minister comes to an end. What's expected now in the days ahead? Who are the front runners, Piyush?
Multiple front runners as far as Delhi CM is concerned, which includes Parvesh Verma, Satish Upadhyay, Vijendra Gupta, Rekha Gupta, Shikha Roy. There are many on which the BJP is right now discussing on. And in the past more than 1 week, multiple deliberations have taken place. And now sources are suggesting that on 20th of this month at 4:30 p.m., the oath-taking ceremony of BJP Chief Minister will take place. Before that, BJP's legislative party meeting will take place, in which all MLAs will reach there at the BJP headquarters in Delhi. Out of these MLAs itself, there will be a new Chief Minister of Delhi. Today in the evening also, a meeting has been called of top leaders of BJP at BJP headquarters, in which includes Tarun Chugh, Virendra Sachdeva, and many others, in which they are still going to discuss upon as to how the swearing-in ceremony would be. So after multiple deliberations and discussions, we are now hearing is that the oath-taking ceremony will take place on 20th of February at 4:30 p.m. Before that, BJP is also going to announce its observers, and these observers will meet each MLA during these parties' legislative meet, and after that itself, name will be announced. Sources are suggesting that the top leadership has already decided as to who is going to lead the BJP in Delhi, and for that, multiple meetings have so far taken place. So it's going to be a mega show of strength also by the BJP, where all NDA partners will be invited there at Ramlila Maidan, where BJP is trying to send out a message to the people that yes, the electorates are supporting Bharatiya Janata Party's governance, and double engine ke sarkar is certainly going to provide development in Delhi.
Okay, so at Ramlila Maidan, February 20th, 4:30 in the evening is when that grand swearing-in ceremony will take place. But who will be sworn in, we still don't know.